Hey, what's up, boys? We back at it. We on the Flood Escape, man. You haven't played, Flood Escape. This is really an OG game for me. It's been a whole 3 weeks or so. So, we here. Honestly, I don't really know what to do. What should I do? I'm gonna buy those. It's actually running a little bit smooth, which I was not expecting. 7,000 in 7 days. Yeah, no. I don't care about this game anymore, but it's funny the fact that I still see the same people on the leaderboard. Still. Which I mean, really I didn't expect. But let's go ahead and see, because turn off my volume. It's being a little bit loud. I don't even know if there's gonna be background music or something or anything for the video, but as you can see, I'm rusty, so we need to get our skills up. I mean, just see this. Wow, look at all of those 40,000s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then speed. Is that speed or is that 7 or XZ? Oh no, one of them's one of them. I think 7 retired or something. Which I mean, good. I mean, we played Flood Escape for 2 years. Okay. 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 Use the dash. I got the wrong one. I needed this one. It's alright. I can still solo this even without using coil like that. We got damaged structures, which is a W. I still remember the route to this map and the shortcut. But let's see if I can laugh at it. Hold up. Oh dang. I guess I can't, but it's alright. Okay. Try out my auto clicker on this. I don't know how to do the code. What's the most efficient way? I might have to look back at some of my older videos to find that out. Wink wink, nudge nudge. This is quite. Oh, hold up. Oh, never mind. I was trying to see the endless leaderboard, but it went down. So. Hold up. Did I choose the maps? I don't know. Was I on autopilot? Okay. I need to freshen up my skills. Oh, apparently I did. Cause it isn't any way that I got the good, well, the older good speedrun map before speed did the stupid ass thing with his I'm not even sure I needed to do that, and I can't. I died. That's all good. Let's go ahead and give this thing one more try. Alright, and here we are with the last thing. Let's go. Lowering lift. Oh shoot, I actually did it. Okay, maybe I'm not rusty as I thought I was. Is this a misclick or something? That's what it's supposed to look like, but apparently I can't do that. Rundown sector is alright. If I can actually make the easiest literal jump, I was thinking I shouldn't have done that. Okay. Wait. Hold on, what? Whenever I press slash. Oh, I'm on Dvorak. Switch that. See, alright, at least I can still laugh clip. Okay, at least I can still do that. Yeah, so I think that's a good place to end off the video. Set spawn to winners. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode.